In the rapidly changing electronics industry, it's crucial to have a printed circuit board assembly partner that can keep up with the times. If your previous PCB assembly contractors haven't delivered consistent quality within acceptable timeframes, do your organization a favor and partner with a contract manufacturer that holds themselves to high standards of quality and innovation. Acme PCB Assembly is that partner, with a rigorous commitment to quality manufacturing practices and an ISO 9000, 9001, 2008 certification to prove it. Plus, we are an IPC A610 certified trainer. Acme works with dozens of prominent tech companies to deliver customized PCBs on tight timetables. Our worldwide supply chain and rigorous cost control procedures allow us to deliver top-shelf quality at extremely attractive price points. At Acme, we're committed to delivering value at every step of the manufacturing process. We partner with nearly a dozen domestic and overseas PCB fabricators to deliver double-layer and multi-layer boards that exceed industry specifications and last for years on end. For over 20 years, we've worked with clients and end users in the healthcare, aerospace, IT, communications, and logistics industries. We're capable of building a wide range of electronic components to exacting specifications, from surface mount technology assemblies and mixed component PCBs to ball grid array assemblies with X-ray inspection and cutting-edge electronics R&D. We perform complex tasks on a flexible contract basis. What's more, Acme is devoted to meeting aggressive delivery schedules and ensuring that our end-user clients never have to engage in costly troubleshooting maneuvers. Acme's PCB assembly services are earning praise from a diverse lineup of high-tech businesses. Just listen to what Eric Nelson of Micron Technology Systems Compatibility Group had to say about our products. I was most pleased with Acme's competitive pricing and quick turnaround time. Also, the quality of the workmanship from the Acme team was first class. I've been recommending Acme to other departments at Micron. And Roy Perry of L3 Communications raves, "We have asked much from Acme, and Acme has delivered. You and your team have consistently met our impossibly quick turnaround deadlines, successfully accommodated changes in our designs, and dealt with all the erroneous parts and part shortages that we brought to you. Acme's superior performance has been a critical factor in the timely and accurate implementation of our special test equipment, computer-controlled TCU, and dynamic load, and the development of the CTWTA." To learn how Acme's PCB assembly team can deliver results like these for your organization, visit boardassembly.com or call 310-715-1898.